Good morning. Oh, how did I get way down there? Wait, there's 3. And then, oh, here we go. Here's 4. All right, guys. Today is I'm sorry. I'm Mrs. Carr. Hey. And today is, I've already forgotten today's date. Today is Thursday. Just joking down here. Thursday, April 30th. Come on, guys. Y'all know the days are running together. Okay, so today's Thursday, April 30th, and we're here for our 4th lesson this week on structures and functions. Just as a quick review, remember, structure and functions are fancy words for adaptations, okay? And so a structure is the same example as all that I've used all week. Let's say we are talking about the duck. A structure on the duck would be its webbed feet. That's the physical body part. And the function would be what makes that duck, or what's the purpose of the webbed feet. And the purpose of the webbed feet is to help it swim better in the water. So the structure is the actual feet, and the function is the purpose of them being in that shape. Okay. All right. So today we are watching a STEM Scopes video. May the best bird win. Ooh, that sounds fun. Okay. And then we're going to read this article. Please don't forget this is a STEM Scopes article, so you do need to make sure that you are going all the way down to the very end and answering your questions here. Please make sure you are using your I claim statements, guys. That did not go away. I'm not seeing them from everybody. I'm only seeing them from a few of you. So you need to make sure you're doing your I claim statements for those questions. Okay. Here's the Spanish version. You're going to answer the questions at the bottom of the reading passage. And so we're going to look at that in the discussion post. If that's not the discussion post, then you're going to go ahead and send a message here. You'll send the message here, new message, and then you can just put reading passage, or I mean not here, obviously you would type in your teacher's name. So like so. There, it takes a second to come up, but there I am. Okay, and then so I would click that, and then you can put reading passage here. And then you can put in your answers here. You can even do an audio recording, guys. You don't have to type it. If you want, if it would be easier for you, you can say audio recording here. The answer is A, or I claim the answer is A because, and then you tell how you know the answer is A. Okay. The other option is you can do it on paper and then take a picture of your I claim statement, and you can upload that file here. Okay, so that's an option there. You can, if you take a picture of it, then you can send it in Remind as a text. You can send it in as an attachment in email. So several options that you have for uploading your answers. Okay, then after that, you're going to complete this table to explore how these, two concepts are related. So then you're going to open this up, and again you can leave it right here, or you can press this download button. You can leave it right here and just answer it from the screen. You can press this download button, but it will simply pop up in a new tab, but it'll still look just like this. Or if you have access to a printer, feel free to print it out, but as you know, it's completely unnecessary to do so. And then when you're done, here you can check your answers here. Okay, so here's some possible answer choices to this table. All right, guys, as usual, don't forget to video us in Microsoft Teams if you have questions, or you can message us in Schoology using the message feature there. Please make sure you're going back and answering, or going back and checking your feedback. Please go back and check your feedback. Please go back and check your feedback. You can do it later that afternoon or in the morning before starting your next assignment, but please go back and check your feedback. You need to see what your teachers are leaving you. Okay? All right, guys, that's it for today. Y'all take it easy, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Only a day away. Bye.